Top 5 DIY Face Masks for Glowing Skin, Natural Skin, Brightening Remedies. Hello everyone. If you're on the hunt for natural ways to achieve glowing, radiant skin, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite DIY face masks that you can easily make at home using simple ingredients. These remedies will help you brighten your complexion, even out your skin tone, and keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. Let's get started. 1. Turmeric and Yogurt Mask. First up, we have the Turmeric and Yogurt Mask. This powerful combination is perfect for brightening and evening out your skin tone. You'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix them together to form a paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and enjoy your refreshed, glowing skin. 2. Aloe Vera Gel. Next, we have the super soothing Aloe Vera Gel. This remedy is great for calming the skin and adding a natural glow. Simply extract fresh aloe vera gel and apply it to your face. Let it sit for 20–30 minutes before rinsing. Aloe vera will leave your skin feeling hydrated and bright. Papaya and Honey Mask. Our third remedy is the Papaya and Honey Mask. Papaya's natural enzymes gently exfoliate the skin, while honey adds moisture and radiance. Take half a ripe papaya and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mash the papaya and mix it with honey to form a smooth paste. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 20 minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. 4. Gram flour and rose water. Another great option is the gram flour and rose water mask. This traditional remedy is perfect for exfoliating dead skin cells and giving your skin a natural glow. Mix 2 tablespoons of gram flour with enough rose water to make a paste. Apply it to your face, let it dry completely, and then rinse off with water. 5. Tomato and Cucumber Face Pack. Last but not least, we have the Tomato and Cucumber Face Pack. This mask is incredibly refreshing and helps to brighten and soothe your skin. Blend 1 small tomato with half a cucumber to create a smooth paste. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. And there you have it, 5 amazing DIY face masks that will leave your skin glowing and refreshed. Try incorporating these natural remedies into your skincare routine and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and natural skincare solutions. See you in the next video.